is getting bigger by the minute, and it seems a second golden ticket has been found. We're off to Sao Paulo, Brazil, where things are sweet for Veronica Salt.
That's Veruca, you imbecile! Veruca, Veruca, Veruca!
So, Mr. Salt, I understand you sweetened Veruca's chances with a little assistance.
Well, as soon as my little girl told me that she simply had to get one of those golden tickets, I got hundreds of thousands of Wonka bars. I'm in the nut business. Peanuts, cashews, but mainly Brazil nuts. So I had my factory girl stop selling Brazil nuts and start selling some wrappers.
Daddy, that hideous reporter said my name wrong on live television. Can't you get her fired?
For you, dear, anything. Anyways, after days of selling chocolate, one of my factory gals finally found the blasted golden ticket. I let her take that lucky piece of chocolate home to her 17 children.
How generous.
Daddy, now she's being sarcastic. I want you fired. Fired, you hear me? Fired, fired, fired.
This is Phineas Sprout with a sweet that's turned sour. But don't worry, we've got a sugary surprise in store. Join us as we dive into a whimsical of candy tin commercial that will transport you to a world of sweetness.